So I come out to take a look at my citrus, and I noticed that a lot of the leaves, the ends, have been eaten away. So I'm like, what is going on with my citrus plants? And I thought I noticed that there was some bird poop, if you will, on them. But that's not bird poop. That is a type of hornworm. Very odd looking. I know that these are probably larvae for moths. Probably a special type of moth. But I wanted to give you guys a look at them because I have never seen these kinds. Now, of course, he's not eating as fast as he was because he knows I'm watching him. But there are a lot of them. We've got a couple on this plant right here, as you can see. And we've got another one on this plant taking a break from the sunlight. And I'm sure, yep, we've got another one over here. So these guys are eating the heck out of my citrus plants. Maybe some of you butterfly or moth experts could fill me in on if this is a very hard to find species of moth larvae that I shouldn't worry about getting rid of and just let them eat away. Judging by the size of them, they probably don't have much more foliage to eat to get their fill. And I don't like having to hurt any of nature's creatures despite them doing a major number on my citrus. While I have you here, I figured I'd show you something I thought was kind of cool. Check out this defense mechanism. Fascinating creatures. And one more angle to show you that it must be a weapon because they're literally trying to prevent me from touching them. Well, this poor tree is infested with them. Now that I take a closer look, we got a couple of them down here. Don't know how well you guys can see them, but we got a couple of them down there. We've got a third one in the background over there. Quite a few of them. I'm a little concerned. I know I said I wouldn't remove them, but there are quite a few. I might remove them from the plant and put them in a jar. But I'm very curious what you guys think about these bad boys. I'm sure they're from a moth species. One that is probably very beautiful and large. But I'd love to know. If you know what they are, what kind of moth they come from, let me know in the comments down below. Just very curious. I'll give you one more final look at these guys. Very cool. Very crazy looking. All right, that's all I got for now. We'll check in with you guys at another time. All right, so I did a little research, figured I'd have to find out for myself. It's funny. I had commented in the video that I thought it looked like bird poop on the plants, which is why I didn't notice them at first, but they're actually known as the giant swallowtail caterpillar. And there's lots of pictures of them. I don't want to show all the images, but as you can see, there's those two protrusions, if you will, that come out of the head of the caterpillar. These become very beautiful butterflies, and I'll get a shot of it next. So I think I'm going to leave them on the plant, let them go to the next stage. Hopefully they don't eat the entire plant up, but they're just too beautiful to take off. And you know what? We'll let nature run its course. Let me get a shot of the butterfly after it's past the larva stage. So there are a lot of images on this page, and I apologize because I don't know the exact species. There's all kinds from black swallowtail butterflies that have less color, more that have the blue colors. There's also some that are mostly more yellow. There's the eastern tiger one. I'm not quite sure which species of larvae or caterpillar I have on my plants, but either way, look how fantastic looking some of these come out looking like. So if I can somehow get the next phase of their life in a separate video, I will. Just wanted to show you that really cool looking butterfly. Can't wait to see how they come out if they don't completely devour my plant first. I think I'll go ahead and conclude this video by saying thank you for watching, happy gardening, and stay tuned for future episodes.